Dear students, BA part second semester third, subject English literature. In last video, we learned an essay, Dream Children. This essay has been completed. Today, we are going to learn an essay, Third Thoughts. In this essay, E.V. Lucas tells about thoughts. Person's thoughts change again and again after days or period. So, this lesson has been written by E.V. Lucas. E.V. Lucas was the greatest essayist, dramatist, playwright, novelist, and also he wrote poems. He grew up in the middle class Quaker family in the Brinkton, the second son of the Alfred Lucas and Jane Neal. Both are the parents of E.V. Lucas. And E.V. Lucas' full name is Edward Weller Lucas. His lifespan is 1868 up to 1938. He was educated and trained school in Chaperon, Warley. He joined a bookseller as an apprentice at the age of 16 due to financial constraint of his family. The thing about he has also family problem. That's why he faced to disease apprentice. Later he turned to journalism and worked with a local paper in the Brinkton, London evening paper, The Globe. That means he has worked as a journalism. So you can inspire from E.V. Lucas, and we are here grateful because we are learning about great essayist E.V. Lucas. He was commissioned to write a biography of Bernard Burton, the Quaker poet. So he is a famous for to write biography of Bernard Burton. The Quaker poet and edited the work of the Charles Lamb. He married Elizabeth Gertrude. The Elizabeth Gertrude is wife of him. The daughter of Colonel James Theodore Griffin of the U.S. Army. So she is the daughter of Colonel. Both husband and wife collaborated on several children's books. He was associated with the Mithun and Co. from 1908 to 1924. Eventually, he was made its chairman. His later, Lucas got his domestic strike and lived alone. He died in the nursing home in Marylebone, London at the age of the 70s. So like that he lived. So this is the life of E.V. Lucas. So remember as a exam point of view or for inspiration. Today, Lucas is read and regarded as an essayist of remarkable charm. So he is famous for essay and he wrote the many essays like it. His essays are found in Character and Comedy. This essay written in or published in 1907. Old Lambs and the New. It was published in 1911. Next essay is Loiter's Harvest Cloud and Silver. It was published in 1916. His other principal writing are The Open Road. It was published in 1899. A Wonders Fixed Vintage. It was published in 1919. Giving and Receiving. It was published in 1922. Encounters and the Diversion. It was published in 1924. And Pleasure Trove. It was published in 1935. So remember these essays of him. Now we are going to learn about essay. Lucas' third thoughts point out the transitory status of human mind. So that is the human mind, means how human mind is changed as a situation. So he presented here. This essay focuses on modifying thought or original thought. So there is a thing about, there is a means our original thought in mind has been changed. The writer's friend changed his mind again and again, which the writer referred to as third thought. So here is a writer friend, and our essayist told about his friend, how his friend's thought changed again and again. So he explained here. He changes his mind 3 times from the proposal for give a half of his profit to that of £10. Next a token of £1, ultimately nothing. So here is the writer friend. He purchased one painting, and after that he got the benefit of 40 points, and he decided to give the half money to dealer. But after that he decided to give the 10 points. After that he decided to give the £1. Yeah. Lastly, nothing. Like that, his friend's thought changed. The incident poignantly depicts how the human mind and thoughts constantly change. So here is Lucas tell about how the mind of human being is changed as per their situation. So that is story. So in next video we are going to learn next part of this essay. Thank you.